This year, everyone's talking about the big players, the S&P 500, tech giants like Nvidia, and the wild ride the stock market's been on. But while Wall Street's been swinging back and forth, something else has been quietly breaking records. Gold. Gold, the oldest and most reliable store of value, has been hitting all-time highs month after month. And now, analysts are calling it what it is, an unstoppable bull market. And there's one stock in particular that's been flying under the radar, but not anymore. It's already up over 150% this year. We're talking about US Gold Corp. Before we dive in, quick favor, if you're getting value from this video, tap that like button. It costs nothing but really helps the channel grow. My goal is 500 likes. Let's hit it! And if you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. Alright, let's talk gold. Everyone's watching Nvidia and the S&P, but gold is having its own moment, and US Gold Corp is one of the biggest winners in that space. It's a US-based company that's focused on gold and copper exploration, and it's working on 3 major projects, one in Wyoming, one in Nevada, and one in Idaho. These aren't just random sites, these are high-potential strategically located assets. Let's start with the CK Gold project in Wyoming. This one's fully owned by the company and sits entirely on state land. That means it's easier and cheaper to get permits, and the project is already shovel-ready. It's one of the few projects in North America that's actually prepared to move into production. Then there's the Keystone project in Nevada. It's located in one of the richest gold-producing regions on the planet, the Cortez Trend. That area alone has produced over 245 million ounces of gold in the last 50 years. And don't sleep on the Chalice Gold project in Idaho. Idaho ranks as one of the best mining jurisdictions in the world. All 3 of these sites are in ideal spots, and the company is aggressively moving them forward. Back to US Gold Corp. Let's look at the numbers. The CK Gold project is showing huge potential. We're talking about a gold-copper deposit with high-grade minerals right at the surface. That makes mining easier and cheaper. The site has access to roads, power, water, equipment, and labor. In other words, it's set up to win. They've already identified around 1 million ounces of gold and 260 million pounds of copper. And the crazy part? 80% of their past drill holes ended in mineralization or haven't even been closed off yet. That means there could be even more untapped resources. Meanwhile, Keystone in Nevada could be the next big discovery. It shares many characteristics with major deposits nearby, and the company might even partner with larger mining players. Same story with Chalice in Idaho. Big potential in a top-ranked mining state. Now let's talk financials. I've had people ask for deeper dives into the numbers, so here we go. Their most recent balance sheet looks solid. US Gold Corp has over $26 million in assets, only $8.5 million in liabilities, and more than $9 million in cash. Their asset-to-liability ratio is above 3-to-1, which is very healthy. No major long-term debt either. They also just got reviewed by Digby Limited, an independent firm that evaluates sustainability in mining. US Gold scored a BBB rating, thanks in large part to the CK Gold project. That's a strong early-stage score and shows the company's moving in the right direction. Digby's CEO said US Gold is building long-term value while meeting investor and stakeholder expectations. When you plug today's gold prices into their financial model, the numbers jump significantly. This is why many believe the stock is still trading below its true value. And, well, Wall Street agrees. According to 3 analysts, the average price target is $11.50 with a high estimate of $13. All 3 give the stock a buy rating. One of the latest was from Roth Capital, which called it a strong buy with a $10 target. And the stock is outperforming gold by a huge margin. Gold is up 35% over the past year, but US Gold Corp, it's up 153%. Even institutions are jumping in. Fintel data shows that institutional ownership has more than doubled since mid-2023. That's a big vote of confidence. Now let's talk about something that matters even more than gold: leadership. The CEO of US Gold Corp, George B., has worked on world-class mining projects in 8 different countries. He's taken multiple companies from development to production. He was recently a senior VP at Barrick Gold, the 4th largest gold company in the world. Before that, he worked at Rio Tinto and Anglo American, 2 of the biggest names in the industry. You don't walk away from those kinds of positions unless you're chasing something big. The rest of the management team also has deep experience working with major mining firms across the globe. So what do you think of US Gold Corp? Could it be the next big gold winner? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe so you never miss an opportunity like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.